this video, I'll show you how to create a Google Meet link in just a few steps. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Whether you are hosting a class, a business meeting, or just catching up with friends, this is the fastest way to create your Google Meet link. The first thing you're going to do, you're going to open your web browser, and here on the top, you're going to just come to meet.google.com. When you log in with your Google account, you'll be taken to this page. And so here to the left side, you're going to see the options for creating a new meeting and also the option for joining a meeting with a code. So if you have a code, you can just paste your code here, then you're going to see this is going to be activated right away. And so here, when you click on this, you're going to see three options. One for creating a meeting for later, the other one for creating an instant meeting, and this one for scheduling a meeting in Google Calendar. Now, what you want is to get a link that you can share with other people. So the option that you want is clicking on the create a meeting for later. When you click on this, you see this window. Here's your joining information, and you can copy this link. You're going to click on copy icon next to the link, and you can now paste and share it via email, WhatsApp, or whatever you want. And then the next option here, when you click on this, you have the instant meeting option and also the Google Calendar option. And here, when you click on this, it's going to open Google Calendar. It's opening the new window here where you can now start, titling this meeting. You can give it a title. You can choose the date, the time, when it's going to start and when it's going to end, and the date when it's going to end, even the time zone. And if it's going to be an all-day event, you have all these options. Then if it repeats, you can also say choose daily or these other options here. You have all the options here to add the location where this is going to be. So for instance, you can just put this location here. And this is powerful because I can just click on this, then it's going to open the map this side, so I can see the location where this is going to be. And so you can see here the location for Lusaka. And now if you want to also add a notification, you can just easily click here if you want to be notified through email or just a notification here in Google Calendar. And also how many times, how many minutes before. So you have all these options here. And you can also add a description for this event. Then later on, you can add the guests, the people you want to invite to this meeting. And so just like that, you can save this. Let's close this window here. And so you're going to see that it's going to be saved and it's going to be put here on the calendar. So now if you want to copy a link, you can just simply click on this. You can see there is join with Google Meet. And here you can copy this. And let's say you're pasting it somewhere here. You can see it's also going to paste the details like the title of the event, the date and time zone and everything, and even the link, just like so. And now if you want to once the link is created, you can just copy it and paste it in the web browser. And when it's time for the meeting, this is going to automatically take you to a window where you can join the meeting and everything is going to be simple and quick. If you found this helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this. If you have any questions concerning Google Meet or anything, please drop them in the comments. I'll respond to you. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.